From WDF University. In this video, we'll talk about fish farming. After the selection of the pond, now it is time to discuss about the management, such as how to put the fish seeds and how to care for the fish after putting the seeds. We divide the management into two parts: pre-management of fish seeds and post-management of fish seeds. Pre-management of fish seeds. There should not be aquatic plants in the pond. It should be removed if it is present so that there is no problem with the maintenance of the fish. The pond should be clean. If there is any dirt or mud in them, get it out of it and separate it from the water. There are two methods to remove this. First, by chemicals, and second, by machines or manually. The use of chemicals deteriorates the quality of water, so do not use chemicals. There are many types of unnecessary and predatory fish in the pond. They should also be removed from the pond. A large net can be used to extract fish, but if the pond is too large, it is not advisable to use a net. In such a situation, it is considered best to use chemical. Mahua cake should be used in the pond at a rate of 2500 kg per hectare. This cake contains 30% nitrogen, 1.3% phosphorus, 1.4% potassium, but mahua cake should be used 21 days before fish seed accumulation. After 21 days, the pond is ready to store fish seeds. Mahua cake works as a beneficial fertilizer for the pond. Apart from this, bleaching powder is also used. Use in the pond according to 200 to 250 kg per hectare. This will kill the unwanted fish. Then after 6 to 10 days, the pond becomes worth storing. Cow dung should be used after bleaching powder. You can put it in the pond about 15 to 20 tons. Post-management of fish seeds. The vegetation of the pond serves as food for the fish. Fishes in the pond should be reared proportionately. Summer is the right time to raise fish as the temperature is high during summer, which leads to higher growth. Sunrise is the best time to plant fish seeds in the pond. Treat them with potassium permanganate for 3 to 4 minutes before adding seeds. Fish can give wheat, maize, or mixed grain flour in the meal. They contain a lot of nutrients which leads to good growth of fish.